Blackmon Music. The pentatonic scale is one of the most important scales to know on guitar because it is used in so many genres of popular music. That is why I have compiled all of my pentatonic scale tutorials into one playlist so that my viewers can easily learn some of the many uses and variations of the pentatonic scale, finding them all in one place. Use the links in this video and the description below to check out my YouTube playlist, Mastering the Pentatonic Scale. I am absolutely sure that you will find something useful in there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.